Although passive income is an important component to the overall investing space, not all assets are created equal, as monthly dividend stocks are. While businesses often distribute earnings to shareholders on a quarterly basis, the majority of bills are paid monthly. That is the clear advantage of this specific investing category. Another advantage in favor of monthly dividend stocks is math. Because of the consistent cash flow, investors may be able to compound their growth more quickly. So, in today's video, we'll explain 5 best monthly dividend stocks. Realty Income, ticker code O. A real estate investment trust, Realty Income invests in freestanding, single-tenant commercial properties in the US, Spain, and the UK. According to its website, Realty has made $32.9 billion in property acquisitions since 2010. Furthermore, relationships account for more than 80% of acquisition volume. The corporation currently has a market capitalization of $42.63 billion. Realty's financial priorities are its expansion activities. Their 3-year sales growth rate is at 3.1%, outpacing 64% of the competitors. Furthermore, its book growth rate throughout the aforementioned time was 16.7%, placing it ahead of almost 92% of sector players. Furthermore, Wall Street analysts grade Realty as a moderate buy. The company's future yield is currently 4.39%. It also has 29 consecutive years of yearly dividend growth, making it one of the best monthly dividend stocks. It reached a low of 36 and then recovered to a high of 75. The stock's current significant resistance level is 69, and if it breaks this level, it will be able to break its all-time high. Agree Realty Corporation, ticker code ADC. Agree Realty Corporation is a publicly traded real estate investment trust that primarily acquires and develops properties that are net leased to industry-leading retail tenants. The corporation owned and maintained a portfolio of 1,027 properties in 45 states with a total gross leasable area of roughly 21 million square feet. Agree Realty Corp., founded in 1971, owns, develops, acquires, and operates retail buildings with net leases to national tenants. The company is based in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, and operates in the United States. Agree Realty Company currently has a price-earnings ratio of 36.6. Agree Reality Corporation has a trailing 12-month revenue of $429.8 million and a profit margin of 33.6%. The most recent year-over-year quarterly sales growth rate was 27.5%. As we look carefully, we can see that it's forming a symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart, which is a neutral pattern, which means that if this stock breaks the level, it will turn bullish. Apple Hospitality REIT Incorporated, ticker code APLE. Apple Hospitality REIT Incorporated is a publicly traded real estate investment trust that owns one of the country's largest and most diverse portfolios of luxury rooms-focused hotels. Apple Hospitality's portfolio includes 235 hotels with over 30,000 guest rooms spread throughout 87 markets in 34 states. Focused with industry-leading brands, the company's portfolio comprises of 104 Marriott-branded hotels, 126 Hilton-branded hotels, 3 Wyatt-branded hotels, and 2 independent hotels. The price-earnings ratio for Apple Hotel REIT Incorporated is 22.3. The trailing 12-month revenue of Apple Hospitality REIT Incorporated is $1.2 billion. The most recent year-over-year quarterly sales growth rate was 19.4%. Analysts forecast adjusted earnings per share of 0.810 for the current fiscal year. Apple Hospitality REIT Incorporated currently pays a dividend yield of 6.8%. It is currently trading in a sideways channel pattern. According to the channel pattern, the resistance is $19 and the support is $13. Phillips Edison and Company, ticker code PECO. This internally managed REIT is one of the nation's leading owners and operators of grocery-anchored shopping complexes. PECO's well-occupied local shopping malls contain a mix of national and regional shops selling necessity-based goods and services in fundamentally solid markets across the United States. Over its 29-year history, PECO has produced solid operating results and collaborated with leading institutional commercial real estate investors such as TPG Real Estate and Northwestern Mutual Life Insurance Company. The business is still solely focused on providing excellent grocery-anchored shopping experiences and enhancing the communities it serves, one location at a time. time. If this stock is able to sustain above $30 levels, then it's a good time to buy this stock. Gladstone Land Corporation, ticker code LAND. Gladstone Land, founded in 1997, is a publicly traded real estate investment trust that acquires and owns farmland and farm-related properties in major agricultural markets around the United States, and leases its holdings to unrelated third-party farmers. The company, which reports the aggregate fair value of its farmland holdings on a quarterly basis, currently owns 127 farms, comprised of approximately 94,000 acres in 13 different states, valued at approximately $1 billion. Since its initial public offering in January 2013, the company has paid 93 consecutive monthly cash payments to its stakeholders. This stock is approaching a strong support zone, so buy the dip.